This is how to make a simulator part 2. So in the last video, we made the free one, the money, and things that they slide down into the thing. And we made the money thing. So now we're going to be making the leaderboard and decorate it a little bit. So we're going to be making a leaderboard. So we're going to do an empty blueprint, drag it here, add blueprint, and we're going to make a leaderboard, tap the pencil. So on the top right, we're going to tap the color and tap yellow. Make a circle, tap the hand tool, and squish it. Now fill it in, and actually go down and tap the eraser, get rid of the collision. Now go back to the draw tool, make a box. Actually, no. Make a skinny box. Basically, skinny box. And then make another box under it. Then fill in all those. Now we are going to make triangles on the end of it. And then fill those triangles in. Now, for the head of it, for the collision, we're just going to make a plain circle. And for this, we're just going to squish it kind of like the collision. So we're going to circle the head, and we're going to make a square for the collision, another square, and then make your triangles on the side. Now that you have the triangles, you wanna bring your leaderboard. Actually, no, not bring it. You want to size up your leaderboard, but your leaderboard is going to the leaderboard is going to be on the bottom left. Now that's there. Tap play, and you should see it. Now to give yourself more room, you want to put it down more, so it's right there. So now we want to go into the logic rules. And do the trigger. Once it's tapped, go to state and do go to state, and then do save a variable to the leaderboard, and then do money, and then do add response. Again, go down to state and do show the leaderboard for a variable. So for the none, do money, the score. This time we're going to type in money. Now, if you get out of that, tap save and tap play, and we tap the leaderboard. It should say this will show a leaderboard when playing the deck outside the editor. So that basically means when it's published and everything. So now that we have a leaderboard, we're going to start decorating it. So last episode, we made the donut, and last video I also said you can make whatever you want. So basically, put the name of the object that's dropping down, and then just do, basically for me, it's a donut, so I would put on a score counter, donut space simulator, because mine is a donut. Because mine's a donut, I would do donut simulator. So now it's donut simulator. We're going to just shrink it a little bit. So basically, whatever yours is, either Cupcake Simulator, whatever you made, basically, whatever you made, put the name of that object, space, simulator. And now that you have that, we're going to do edit. Actually, no. Actually, delete that. See the money on the top left? We're going to do fork. We're actually going to go into the logic of the score counter. and then do rules, and then do trigger, and do when this is created. Scroll down till scroll down to the thing that says like the amount of seconds it's gonna take, like wait before a response. Yeah, that. So wait for 1 second. We're gonna put that to about, like, let's say 4 seconds, I would say. So now when it's created, wait 4 seconds, and then do destroy this actor. So now that we have the score counter 2, we're gonna put that, and like I said, do whatever the name of your object is that's dropping down, space, and then simulator. Now that you have that, your like whatever simulator, we're going to put that in like kind of like the middle, kind of, and then save, and then tap play, wait 4 seconds, and then it disappears. So now that we have all that, like we have the we have like the thing that says donut simulator or whatever yours is. We have the leaderboard. We can also make a button that says a next page. So basically, in the first video I said you can make how many or whatever object you have, how many of that you want to make. Well, when it fills up, we're gonna make a next page. So basically what we're going to do for the next page is basically an empty blueprint, and then we're basically just going to go into the collision, get rid of that, and then it doesn't really matter what color, just not like a dark color that'll blend in with black. Any color except a dark color that'll blend in with black. So I'm just going to do blue and make a box, like a rectangle, and then basically like arrows, and then we're gonna fill those in, and then just bring that like above the leaderboard, I would say, and then just expand that. And now we're gonna get the money score counter in the top right. You should see 2 boxes. Just tap that. That'll just duplicate the money, and then just like the money, just get rid of that and do next space page. Now, when you put this on top of it, it's just gonna, if it kind of like goes under it, just delete it and try putting it back and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then just keep trying that. For me, it's like going under it. I don't know why. So, I'm just going to leave it there because it's not really working. Let me just see something if I can put that on. Oh my god. So basically, yeah, so the next page is going to put you to another page, but only make the next page. Well, yeah, make the next page button. Just, you want to like try to fill up the first page. So you have like a big page, and then when you don't have enough room, you're gonna make another page so it like puts you to another page so you have more room. So now when you have the next page on the little like block, you're gonna basically, you wanna kind of make like put it in like the top left of it. So basically, now that you have that, you wanna tap the empty blueprint that it's gonna have the next page on, and then tap fork, and And basically, you want to keep this. Just get rid of the like spike at the end. So get rid of the spike at the end. So now that that spike is gone, you're just gonna use a line, and then just like fill the box in. Now that you fill the box in, we're just gonna put that under it and like perfectly put it under it. And then we want to get a copy the money thing again, and then make that however money you want the next page thing to be. I'm just gonna put like 700, just 50 like money sign, and then 750 billion maybe, I'm not sure, because you're gonna be going up to a lot before this. So now you put on that, for me, I don't know why it's like overlapping it, but it's just gonna stay there. It's gonna say next page, and that you want to tap on the next page thing. Logic, basically select trigger once it's tapped. Send player to different card, but then do choose card. Actually no, and then scroll down, do another one, and then do if select condition, and then we're gonna do if a variable meets a condition, and then we tap none, deck, and then money. If it's greater or equal to so this is the tricky part. You're gonna wanna basically you're going to wanna minus the 0, do it 1, and then basically that'd be 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then a million. So in the million, 10 million, 100 million, a billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now that would be 100 billion minus the front one and make that a 7, and the one to the right of it, make that a 5. That should be 750 billion. Now we're going to tap done. Basically, when this is tapped, send player to a different card if variable money is greater than or equal to 750 billion. But it's not going to take away your money, because then you won't have enough for anything in it. And basically, now that we have that, and we tap on it when we have enough money, it'll give us that. So now that we all have all of that, we are going to actually save it, and then get out of it, and then tap add a card, so you have a new card. But you should see your other game in the bottom right. It should say add card. Tap add card. Basically, what you did to the front, just do the same thing that you did with the front page, but just when you're doing the back, go back to the page. Basically, get an empty blueprint. I'm just showing you how to do the back page thing. Empty blueprint, and then basically make the color like a square, whatever, like a rectangle, whatever color you want. And then on the left side, we're gonna make your triangles. Now we're gonna fill it in. Now we just want to put go space back, so they know it's gonna put us back to the front page. We're gonna put that exactly on, and then now we're gonna go on the empty blueprint, and it's gonna do just when this is tapped, send player to a different card, choose card, then do your card, and then save it, get out of it.